Hello everyone, welcome to our project presentation for the unit SIT 217 Software Engineering 1 Robotics project. The name of our project is Delivery Robo, which is built by our team Robo Hunters. Our team Robo Hunters consists of 3 members. I am Sohil Nagpal and the other 2 members are Varinder Singh and Purav Makkar. The purpose of our system: we have made a delivery robot that can assist in a variety of industries and move a good amount of weight from one place to other with some great integrated features. The main feature is to lift up to 20 kgs of weight from one place to other. Essentially, we intend to construct it in such a way that it can hold the specified amount of weight while being easily transportable either in the case of incline or decline. These are some of the photos of our project. On the left side we have it without cover, and on the right side it is with the cover and the closing panel. Some of the features which we have integrated in our project are: it is a manually controlled robot using the ESP32 Wi-Fi technology. It is capable of carrying a good amount of load up to 20 kgs. We have added a weighing scale using load cell in our RoboCart for the purpose of measuring the weight of goods. Also, there is a max weight alert system for the goods. It has a collision alerting system which will help to avoid the obstacles. We have integrated 2 rechargeable batteries, each of 6 volts. The components used in a delivery robot project are: one Arduino Uno R3, one ESP32 Node MCU, two 6-volt batteries, four DC 12-volt 60 RPM motors, two L2982 ampere dual motor driver module, four heavy-duty wheels, two ultrasonic sensor, load cell, capacity of 20 kgs with its module, LEDs and buzzers. Next, we have the block diagram of our project. Here we have 3 sub-blocks: ESP32 Node MCU, Arduino Uno R3 and the weighing scale module. The ESP32 Node MCU module is controlling all the 4 motors. The weighing scale module has the weight display and 20 kg load cell. The Arduino Uno R3 is working with the ultrasonic sensors and the LEDs. All of these 3 sub-blocks are working independently. This is the circuit overview of our project from the top view. As you can see, here we have the ESP32 Node MCU and the Arduino Uno microcontroller highlighted with the white arrows. 4 motors marked with the motor 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively and highlighted with pink colors, and 2 motor drivers highlighted with the green color. Then we have 2 batteries of 6 volts each highlighted with the red color. We also have the weighing scale module highlighted with the yellow color along with the weighing scale display highlighted with the brown color. Next, we have the front, back and side view of our project. On the front side, we have an ultrasonic sensor and 2 LEDs. On the back side, we have ultrasonic sensor, 2 LEDs, weighing scale display to measure the weight of the goods, 2 switches, one to power on and off the robot and the other one to switch on and off the weighing display. We also have a jack to charge the batteries. From the sides we can see a load cell with a capacity of 20 kgs connected to the weighing scale module as shown in the previous slide. Let us now have a look to the coding part. We have also shared the link of the code in the video description for your reference. Applications of the robot. Some applications of this robot are grocery delivery, food delivery, package delivery, hospital medicine delivery, hotel room service, warehouse, airport and railway stations. We can use this robot in any of these industries. Proposals for future extension of project. Some of the features which we can add to extend our delivery robot project are: we can add a camera to our project so that we can control it from some distance. a GPS navigation system can be integrated. We can use keypad or RFID technology in order to increase the security of the delivery box. We can also extend the feature of the obstacle alerting system by controlling the motor of the robot according to the ultrasonic sensor and making it an obstacle avoidance system. Here in this slide, I have provided the links for the code presentation and the testing video of the robot. I have also added these links in the description of this video. So this was all about our project presentation for the unit SIT 217. I hope you liked it. Thank you.